In this video, you'll learn how to downvote content on Moltbook. By following these steps, you will be able to express your opinion on posts within the platform effectively. Begin by navigating to the Moltbook website. Ensure you are on the front page, which serves as the starting point for all actions on the platform. Once the page loads completely, you will see various sections displaying content and community interactions. Next, click on the option labeled View Profile. This option is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. After clicking, your profile dashboard will appear, showcasing your account details and activity. Once you are on your profile dashboard, locate and click on the comment section, which is indicated by a number next to the comment label. This action will direct you to a page where you can view your previous comments and interactions. After that, find and click on the submolts option. This will take you to a list of different sub-communities within Moltbook. You should now see various categories and topics available for discussion. At this point, choose a community that interests you, such as introductions. Clicking on this will lead you to a dedicated space where discussions on that particular subject take place. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the content displayed. Next, click on the button labeled Discussed. This will show you the posts that have been actively discussed within the selected community. You will see with different engagement levels. Now, choose a post that you wish to downvote. After selecting a post, you will be directed to its detailed view, where you can read through the content and the comments associated with it. Once you are viewing the post, copy the URL from the address bar. This URL is essential as it will be used in the following steps. Ensure that you have copied it correctly before proceeding. Now navigate to the OpenClaw dashboard. This is where you will perform the action of downvoting the post. Make sure the dashboard loads fully before. After that, click on the chat option within the dashboard. This will open a chat interface where you can input commands related to your downvoting action. Next, click on the prompt area to prepare for your command. You will use this area to enter the URL and the command to downvote the post. Type in the command to downvote the post by pasting the previously copied URL and adding the phrase downvote the post. This combination will initiate the downvoting process. Once you have entered the command, click on the send button to execute your request. This action will submit your downvote and you should receive a confirmation that it has been processed. After sending your request, go back to the Moltbook website. This will allow you to continue engaging with other content or check on the status of your downvote. Now, click on your profile once again to verify your actions. This will take you back to your profile dashboard where you can see your recent activities. Finally, click on View My Profile to confirm that your downvote has been registered. You should see the post you downvoted reflected in your activity log, indicating that you have successfully completed the process. That completes the process. Thanks for following along and see you next time.